Holidays without the havoc. Why schedule? The holidays are a magical time, but they can also be hectic. Without a plan, you might feel overwhelmed. A holiday schedule can be your key to a smoother, more enjoyable season. Imagine this. You know exactly when you'll buy gifts, bake cookies, and attend parties. You carve out time for family traditions and personal relaxation. A schedule helps you prioritize what matters most. It reduces stress and allows you to savor each moment. Remember, this is your holiday too. You deserve to enjoy it. A well-crafted schedule empowers you to be present and create lasting memories. Let's explore how to make one that works for you. Crafting your holiday game plan. A step-by-step guide. The holiday season can be one of the most joyous times of the year, but it can also be one of the most stressful if not properly planned. Creating a holiday schedule might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be complicated. With a little bit of organization, you can transform your holiday chaos into a smooth and enjoyable experience. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, grab your calendar. This will be your best friend throughout the planning process. Choose a format you like: paper, digital, or both. The key is to pick something that you are comfortable with and will use consistently. Make sure it's easily accessible. Next, mark key dates. This includes not just the major holidays but also any personal or family events that are important to you. Add important holidays, family gatherings, and travel days. This will give you a clear overview of what your holiday season looks like. Then, do a brain dump. This means writing down every single thing you want to accomplish during the holiday season, no matter how small or large. Write down everything you want to accomplish during the holiday season. This could be anything from baking cookies to attending school concerts, or even just spending a quiet evening with family. This could be anything from baking cookies to attending school concerts. The idea is to get all your thoughts out of your head and onto paper. After that, prioritize and categorize. Review your brain dump. Highlight your top priorities. This will help you focus on what truly matters to you during the holidays. Group similar tasks together like gift shopping, decorating, baking. This will make it easier to manage your time and resources. Block out specific times for each category. This ensures that you have dedicated time for each activity and helps prevent last-minute rushes. Be realistic about how long tasks will take. It's better to overestimate the time needed than to find yourself scrambling to get things done. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. The goal is to create a framework that you can adjust as needed. Flexibility is key to enjoying the holiday season. The goal is to create a framework that you can adjust as needed. Remember, the holidays are about joy and togetherness, not stress and perfection. Happy planning! Making your list and checking it twice. Holiday to-dos. Now that you have a basic framework, it's time to break down your holiday tasks into manageable chunks. Create separate lists for different categories. For gift ideas, list potential gift recipients and brainstorm gift ideas. For your shopping list, once you know what you're buying, create a detailed shopping list. Organize it by store for efficiency. For a recipe roundup, gather your favorite holiday recipes in one place. Note any special ingredients you'll need. For a decorating checklist, make a list of all the areas you want to decorate, both inside and outside your home. By breaking down larger tasks into smaller steps, you'll feel more organized and in control. You can even delegate tasks to family members to share the holiday workload. Time blocking, your secret weapon for holiday success. Time blocking is a powerful technique that takes your schedule from good to great. Here's how it works. First, look at your calendar. Identify open slots in your schedule. Evenings and weekends are great for holiday tasks. Next, assign tasks to specific times. Instead of buy gifts, schedule Tuesday 7 to 9 p.m. Order gifts online. Then, set realistic time limits. Don't try to cram too much into one day. It's better to spread out tasks over several days. Be specific. Instead of bake, write down bake gingerbread cookies and decorate sugar cookies. Time blocking eliminates decision fatigue. You know exactly what you need to do and when to do it. This frees up mental energy to focus on enjoying the holiday season. Section 5. Staying festive, not frantic. Tips for sticking to your schedule. The holiday season can be a whirlwind of activities, events, and obligations. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but with a well-thought-out schedule, you can navigate this busy time with ease and joy. Creating a schedule is only half the battle. The real challenge lies in sticking to it amidst the chaos of the holidays. A good schedule can help you balance your commitments and ensure you have time for everything that matters. The real challenge is sticking to it. It's easy to get sidetracked by unexpected events or last-minute changes. However, with some discipline and flexibility, you can stay on track. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. Review your schedule regularly. Make it a habit to look at your schedule daily. This will help you stay organized and make any necessary adjustments. Make it a habit to look at your schedule daily. This simple practice can keep you grounded and aware of your commitments. It also allows you to anticipate any potential conflicts or overlaps. This will help you stay organized and make any necessary adjustments. Be flexible. It's okay if things don't go exactly according to plan. Life happens. Being adaptable can reduce stress and help you enjoy the season more. It's okay if things don't go exactly according to plan. Life happens. Embrace the unexpected and find joy in the spontaneity of the season. Be willing to adjust your schedule as needed. Don't overcommit. It's tempting to say yes to every invitation, but it's important to know your limits. It's tempting to say yes to every invitation. However, overcommitting can lead to burnout and stress. Prioritize the events and activities that are most important to you and your loved ones, but it's okay to decline if it doesn't fit into your schedule or align with your priorities. Saying no can be empowering and allows you to focus on what truly matters. Schedule in downtime. Don't forget to schedule time for yourself. Amidst the hustle and bustle, it's crucial to carve out moments for relaxation and self-care. Make time for relaxation, hobbies, and activities that bring you joy. Whether it's reading a book, taking a walk, or simply enjoying a cup of tea, these moments can recharge your spirit. Remember, your schedule is a tool, not a dictator. Use it to your advantage, but don't be afraid to make changes as needed. Flexibility is key to a stress-free holiday season. Use it to your advantage, but don't be afraid to make changes as needed. By staying organized, being flexible, and prioritizing self-care, you can enjoy a festive and fulfilling holiday season. Section 6. Holiday gatherings made easy planning for parties and events. Whether it's a cozy family dinner or a grand celebration with friends, planning ahead can make all the difference. Holiday gatherings are a wonderful way to connect with loved ones. They offer a chance to create lasting memories and share special moments. But they can also be a major source of stress. The pressure to make everything perfect can be overwhelming. Here are some tips for planning stress-free events. Start by organizing your thoughts and making a checklist. Choose a date and time. Make sure it works for most of your guests to ensure a good turnout. Send out invitations well in advance to give guests plenty of notice. Plan your menu. Think about dietary restrictions and preferences. Decide what you'll serve and make a detailed shopping list. This will help you stay organized and avoid last-minute trips to the store. Consider making some dishes ahead of time to save time on the day of the event. This can help reduce stress and allow you to enjoy the party. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Delegating tasks can make the workload more manageable. Enlist friends and family members to assist with cooking, cleaning, or setting up. Working together can also be a fun bonding experience. Create a festive atmosphere. Set the mood with decorations, music, and lighting. These elements can transform your space and make it feel special. Remember, the most important ingredient for a successful gathering is good company. The people you invite are what make the event truly memorable. Relax, enjoy yourself, and let the festivities begin. Embrace the joy of the season and cherish the time spent with loved ones. Section 7. Gift giving without the guesswork, scheduling your shopping. Gift shopping can be a joyful experience or a mad dash to the finish line. Scheduling can help you avoid the last-minute rush. Set a budget. Determine how much you want to spend on gifts overall. Then allocate specific amounts for each recipient. Shop early and online. Avoid the crowds and stress of last-minute shopping by purchasing gifts online or during off-peak hours. Wrap as you go. Don't let wrapping become an overwhelming task. Wrap gifts as you purchase them to save time later. Consider experiences. Instead of material gifts, think about gifting experiences like concert tickets, spa days, or cooking classes. By being strategic with your shopping, you can make gift giving more enjoyable and less stressful. Section 8. The Art of Flexibility. Adjusting your schedule for holiday surprises. No matter how well you plan, unexpected things will inevitably come up during the holidays. That's okay. Here's how to stay flexible. Build in buffer time. Don't schedule your days back to back. Leave some wiggle room for unexpected delays or last-minute requests. Be willing to let go. It's okay if you don't get to everything on your list. Prioritize what's most important and let go of the rest. Don't be afraid to say no. It's okay to decline invitations or requests if they don't fit into your schedule or align with your priorities. Focus on the positive. When things get stressful, take a step back and remember what's truly important about the holidays. Flexibility is key to navigating the holiday season with grace and ease. Section 9. Reclaiming the holidays. Enjoy the season with less stress. Mastering your holiday schedule is about more than just checking things off a list. It's about creating a season filled with joy, connection, and meaning. By planning ahead, prioritizing your time, and staying flexible, you can reclaim the holidays and create lasting memories with the people you love. Remember, this is your holiday too. Make it a time to relax, recharge, and celebrate all that is good in your life.